Hey everyone, welcome back. Rivian and Mercedes partner up for electric vans. This is absolutely brilliant news. I've been waiting for something like this, and I think it's probably one of the best things to happen to Mercedes and to Rivian in recent years. This is going to be a great partnership if they can work together well. Now, the joint venture will create large EV vans for both automakers. They will both benefit from this venture. Perhaps that's what excites me most, is that both of them plans to benefit. Simply by working together and understanding that by working together they can build something great for each other. Now, Mercedes-Benz and Rivian has formed a new joint partnership to build bespoke large commercial electric vans. The companies announced on Thursday, the company signed a memorandum of understanding to start a strategic partnership, with its targets set on using an existing Mercedes-Benz site in Central or Eastern Europe. This marks Rivian's first foothold in the continent. Rivian as an automaker only has one manufacturing plant, and that's in the USA. There will be two van models, one built on Mercedes van electric architecture, the Van EA, that's the Mercedes platform, and the other on the Rivian second generation electric van platform called Rivian Light Van, that's the RLV. Now, Mercedes-Benz have been building commercial vans for more than 2 decades and have manufacturing experiences and resources that, combined with Rivian's electric platform expertise, could help the young automaker thrive on its limited resources. And we have a quote right here from Mercedes spokesperson, head of vans, Matthias Gisens. And I quote, "We want to retain our position as the only van manufacturer producing large vans in Germany, despite the increasing costs associated with e-mobility transformation," end quote. Mercedes announced this deal on Twitter, so it's quite exciting. I saw it, I instantly became obsessed with the deal, finding out as much as I can, because on this channel we talk about everything to do with electric vehicles. I'd just like to dive into it. Now, the information we got here continues to say, in the press release announcing their deal, Rivian CEO RJ Scarinch said, "We believe that together we will produce truly remarkable electric vans, which will not only benefit our customers but the planet." Rivian's stock jumped nearly 10% at the open market from $34.90 to $36.26 on this news of the joint venture. Now, Rivian currently has a contract to build a total of 100,000 electric delivery vans for Amazon. That total was to be fulfilled by 2024, but now that Amazon projects that the full order will be on the road by 2030, the first ones have only just started to arrive in certain cities for testing, including Baltimore, Chicago, Dallas, Kansas City, and Seattle. Now, a total of 100 cities by the end of the year. But Rivian's partnership with Amazon isn't exclusive, and the automaker said it plans to begin selling electric vans to other companies in 2023. So that's brilliant, because Rivian has a great position to establish themselves not just with Amazon but with other major companies who need electric delivery vehicles. Now, I think this reason why the partnership is so great is because we are on the forefront of the electrification of vehicles all around the globe. So Rivian and Mercedes are not necessarily competitors yet, but this could change in the next 10 years, 2 years, 30 years. It could change. It could change quite quickly. The night change fast. Rivian has a lot more to gain through this partnership than Mercedes. That's facts. So I would really want to understand more of the information within this deal. How do Rivian benefit from this deal? What do Rivian bring to the table? That's where I'm concerned. That's what's gotten me excited. That is what I'm trying to understand. Now, we do have some documents between the two companies that were produced. These are joint press release from Mercedes AG and Rivian. Now, all it really says is that the planned joint venture will produce bespoke large electric vans for Mercedes-Benz and Rivians. The company looks to leverage shared investment, shared cost, and will pursue operational synergy to rapidly scale electric van production. Further options for increased synergy from the joint venture will also be explored. We've got quotes from RJ Scarinch as well. He's saying that Rivian was created to encourage the world to transition away from fossil fuel consumption by creating compelling products and services. We're delighted to be partnering with Mercedes-Benz on this project. Mercedes is one of the world's best known and respected automakers companies, and we believe that together we will produce truly remarkable electric vehicles. Same thing I said earlier, basically. But the most important thing that I understand from this information, from the documents and all, is that the two companies look to leverage shared investment, shared cost, and will pursue operational synergy. And this is all to help both companies rapidly scale electric van production. So yes, while Rivian definitely has more to gain in this partnership, it looks like Mercedes also has strategic advantage to gain as well, which is really good for Mercedes. It's good for Rivian. So I'm happy to see both companies working together. Ideally, I would like to see Mercedes investing in Rivian. Let's be honest, Mercedes used to own 10% of Tesla, and they sold that at a loss. If they had held on to that percentage of Tesla, Mercedes would have had at least almost over 100 billion value in Tesla right now, if they held on to their position at Tesla all-time high. Seriously. But they sold at just a few million, at a fraction of the cost. Fraction. It's truly one of the biggest loss in EV and manufacturing and vehicle ownerships. So if Mercedes do look to buy another company or do look to invest in a company like Rivian, I hope they don't sell just because the company is struggling, just because the market is bad, just because investors don't like it. I hope they hold on forever, because Rivian has a bright future. They've got the money and they're building factories to support their expansion. And obviously they're partnering with the likes of Mercedes to help them scale and to build more electric vehicles. Rivian will do well in the future. They will struggle at the start for the next 5-10 years, but eventually they will do extremely well. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to see more. And of course, I'll see you in our next video.